Unlock the secret to Sweetgreen's popular Harvest Bowl, a fall favorite brimming with seasonal flavors. Start with the star ingredient, balsamic-marinated roasted squash, which adds a sweet and tangy profile to the dish. Next, balance this with arugula for a peppery bite and quinoa for protein-rich substance. To achieve the authentic taste, prepare a creamy basil dressing from fresh basil, lemon juice, and Greek yogurt, which perfectly complements the roasted flavors. Assemble your bowl with walnuts and apples for crunch and sweetness, reminiscent of a crisp autumn day. Now that you're equipped with the steps to recreate this seasonal delight, let us know in the comments which restaurant recipe you'd like to see next.